I love my CFMOTO episode and what to do when you have a flat tire.
To fix a flat tire, you will need a tire repair kit and an air compressor. First, find the puncture and use the special needle tool to clean the hole. Then take the tire plug and fix it with the insertion tool. If it's cold outside, put the plug behind the exhaust to soften it. Apply some rubber cement to it from the repair kit. Push 3/4 of the plug into the hole and then quickly take out the tool. The puncture is fixed, now you only need to inflate the tire. To inflate the tire, you can use compressed air canisters from the kit or an air compressor. You will need 2 compressed air canisters for 1 tire. Be sure to check your pressure and then you are ready to go. Have a safe ride.